Hi, my name is Annika Voorhees. Today we are going to be looking at how to conduct a web conference and desire to learn. So first we want to head to the Communications drop-down tab and select Pilot Live. Once here, we're going to add a new room and give that room a title. And we're going to make sure that this is a public room and head to our advanced properties. I'm sorry, I just skipped our availability. We're going to change this. This way it's available until the end of the semester. And then head to advanced properties, and we're going to have attendees raise their hand on entry. We are not going to have them join as moderators, but we are going to have unrestricted access to resources, and moderators can view all private chats. All right, and select Save. And it was added successfully. So as you can see, we have week 1 and week 2. So let's go ahead and join this room so we can check it out. Oh, I had a pop-up block. You have to make sure that you check for that. So I selected that, and let's go back in and try it again. And for some reason, this didn't automatically run everything. So you're going to have to remember to make sure students have run this and are accessing it. Have the directions and I'm being prevented from joining it according to my organization's restrictions. So we cannot double check this meeting because I'm unable to. All right. Well, let's talk about setting up the rooms. It was pretty easy to set up our room, and we did have some options on how to create those. Let's look again. Let's do another. All right, so we want it to be public. We need to make sure that we change that end date. Of course, if you're building these out at the start of the semester, you want a start date and an end date. We want to make sure we check these advanced properties. You want to make sure you decide how early people can enter the room. And if you want to send out email notifications. And then we're just going to click Save. All right, so creating the rooms is pretty easy. Okay, so I did some workarounds and found a way into the Blackboard Collaborate. And so now we can see here I am as moderator, and we have some options here, all along here, and up here as well. And of course, here is our chat. There's no one in the room right now but me, because we're not running a real web conference at the moment. But here are some of our tools. So we can, of course, application share. We can do breakout rooms, chat, invite participants. Of course, we have the raise your hand upon entering. I'm going to go ahead and lower all hands. There we go. Now you can see my hand is lowered. All right, we have polling. lots of different things. So as far as the web conference itself goes, there's lots of tools available for us to use, but there is kind of a workaround. It doesn't just launch. I had to go into my files in order to launch the session. So that's a bit of a hiccup. All right, thank you.